A bit of a risk-off mood today for tech stocks. I mean, their investors not buying into what Liu He is saying.
Yeah, Haslinda, that's indeed true. I think let's not forget yesterday Hang Seng Tech Index was up 6%, a huge rally. People were getting ahead of themselves, really being speculative, betting on some big bang announcement from Liu He. And today, again, as you guys said, there is absolutely no new details on the tech crackdown easing. So people are taking some chips off the table. And as you just showed, the Hang Seng Tech Index is down about 2% today. And I think overall, there's also some new information in the broader market for people to digest, such as the COVID spread in China. Although Shanghai has got its situation under control, we're seeing higher number of cases in Beijing and a flare-up in Sichuan, which has China's biggest city of Chongqing. And all these things are sort of weighing on sentiment a little bit, in addition to the lack of fresh details from Liu He.
Lianting, I mean, are we trying to find, people are searching for a catalyst for this industry group here? So, what are investors waiting for? I mean, we've heard commentary. They didn't get a roadmap. They didn't get anything concrete.
Yeah, it's a tough one. I think one thing, if Xi Jinping came out to say that we're going to do something big in terms of restoring people's market sentiment around tech industry, that could easily change the sentiment in the investor community. But also the earnings, that's the next thing people are watching out for. Tencent, which is China's biggest tech company, will release earnings today. And people are expecting quite a bleak set of numbers, such as lowest revenue growth since it went public. But overall, I think the clues will be in its commentary about how the outlook will be in the second quarter, how the lockdowns are impacting its revenues especially the online advertisement sales revenue. And I think that those are the things that could have ramifications or implications for other companies such as Alibaba, which will report next week. And overall, for the tech sector, we're seeing the earnings estimates being cut for 7 straight months for the Hang Seng Tech Index, and the target price is also being cut for 7 months in a row. Overall, I think people are watching out for anything that's positive on the lockdown front, and also something that's more concrete from regulatory front.